Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Keralakam CBSE School Mudor online classes. In last classes we discussed first four problems of exercise 2.2. So now I will continue with the fifth problem of this exercise 2.2. Fifth problem, they have given two questions here. Find 1 by 2 of, you have to find out 1 by 2 of first question they have given here, that is 24, and second question they have given here, that is 46. Now we have to find out 1 by 2 of 24 and 46. So first one, 1 by 2 of operator, what it means? That is multiplication. Already you know that. Next, 1 by 2 into what we have here, 24. So now, first you can multiply, then you can divide, or you can divide this 1 and 24 by 2. And we know that this 24 comes in table 2, because here last number is given 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers. All these numbers comes in table 2. Therefore, I will start dividing with the help of 2. So 2 ones are 2, and here 2 ones are 2. First number is 2. Therefore, 2 ones are 2. Next we have 4. That is 2 twos are 4. Now 1 into 12 means what we will get 12, and in the denominator it is 1. So no need to write that. So 1 by 2 of 24 is 12. Next, second one in this question only, 1 by 2 of means multiplication. So what is that? 46. How you can divide this? Here you can multiply, then you can divide. So directly I will divide here. Again 46 comes in table 2, because 6 is even number. Therefore it comes in table 2. Therefore here 2 ones are 2, and here 4 means 2 twos are 4, and 6 means 2 threes are 6. Now 1 into 23 means what you will get? 23. So 1 by 2 of 46 is 23. Like this you have to solve these problems. Still 3 questions are there. Like this only you have to solve. Okay. Now I will move to the 6th question. Pause the video and write this answer. I will move to the 6th question now. That is multiply and express as a mixed fraction. We have to multiply and express as mixed fraction. So 6th question, they are given question number A, 3 into 5, 1 divided by 5. So how to write this means, here first we will convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. How will you convert? First we will write 3 as it is only. So 3 into. Next, what you will get here? What you have? That is 5 into 1 by 5. So if you convert this mixed fraction, what you will get? 5 into 5, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. So 26 divided by 5. So what we got now? 3 into 26 divided by 5. Now we cannot divide this 3 or 26 by 5. Why? Because if you want to divide any number by 5, that number should end with 5 or 0. You can check in table 5. See here, 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are 20. Like this it continues. You can observe here, always last digit is 5 or 0 in this table 5. But here last digit is 3 and 6. Therefore we cannot divide these two numbers. These two numbers 3 and 26. These two numbers will not come in table 5. So that I will not divide now, just I will multiply directly. So 3 into 26 we will get. We have to multiply this. 3 into 26 means what we will get? 78. 78 divided by 5. 3 into 26 means 78 divided by 5. So now we have to express this in the form of mixed fraction. How will you express this 78 by 5 in the form of mixed fraction? Here in base we should get 5 only. Okay, first I will write base as 5. Therefore, here the multiplication should be with 5 only. So if you consider here we have 78. If you consider 12 into 5, what you will get? 60. 12 into 5, 60. Next, 13 into 5, what you will get? 65. These two are less than 78. Next, 14 into 5, 70. Next, 15 into 5, 75. This is little bit near to 78. Now I will check with 16. 16 into 5, 80, which is greater than 78. So we cannot consider this 16 into 5, but here 15 into 5 is what we got, that is 75, which is very near to 78. So 15 into 5 means 75. So here I will write whole number 15, because 5 into 15 means, or 15 into 5 means 75. So this 75 is 3 less than 78. 75 is 3 less than 78. So I will add 3 to this 75. So 15 into 3 by 5, this is mixed fraction. So if you convert this 5 into 15, 75, 75 plus 3, 78. 78 divided by 5 we will get. Okay? Like this you have to solve this sixth main question. Or I will discuss another problem, this sixth question. Just pause this video and write this answer. Now I will discuss question number B of sixth main. 5 into 6 of 3 by 4. Now we will convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. How? First we will write 5 as it is only. Next into here 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3, what will we get? 27. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 divided by 4 you will get. Now what we got? 5 into 27 divided by 4. So now here you can see we cannot divide 4 or 27 by this 4, because these two values not come in table 4. Therefore I will multiply 5 into 27. If you multiply 5 into 27, what you will get? 135. You will get 135, and denominator we will get 4 only. 5 into 27, 135, and 4 I have written it as it is only. Okay. Now I have to convert this 135 by 4 to mixed fraction value. How to convert this? And just as previous problem, here also in denominator we will get 4 only. So if you consider 30 into 4, so the value should be multiple of 4 only. So 30 into 4 means we will get 120. 31 into 4 means we will get 124. Next 32 into 4 means we will get 128. Next 33 into 4 means we will get 132. This is 3 less than 135. This is near to 135. Let us check with 34. So 34 into 4 means we will get 136, which is greater than 135. So that we cannot consider this 34 into 4. We will consider 33 into 4, that is 132, which is very near to 135. So if you consider this, here already we have written 4 and 33. I will write it here. So 33 into 4, what we will get? 132, which is very near to 135, which is 3 less than 135, so that I will add 3 here. Okay, now if you add 3 here, what you will get? 4 into 33, 132, 132 plus 3, 135 divided by 4. This is how to you multiply, and you should convert that value to mixed fraction. In the first step, we will convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction, then you have to multiply, then again you have to convert that to mixed fraction. Okay, like this solve remaining 2 problems of 6th main. Now I will discuss 7th main question. Just pause this video and write this answer. Now I will continue with 7th problem of this exercise, that is, they have given 2 questions here. I will discuss one of them. 7th main question. Find one by 2 of. I have to find out 1 by 2 of. First one they have given 2 into 3 by 4, and second one they have given 4 into 2 by 9. So now first one I will consider 1 by 2 of what it indicates? Multiplication of operator. So first one what I have given? 2 into 3 by 4. Now we will convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 1 divided by 2 into here 4 into 2. First you have to multiply. So 4 into 2 means what will you get? 8. Next 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 3 what will you get? 11. 11 divided by 4. Now just you have to multiply here. If you multiply here, what you will get? 1 into 11, 11, 1 into 11, 11, and in denominator 2 into 4, 8. So what we got here? 11 divided by 8, 1 into 11. We should multiply numerator with numerator only. 1 into 11, 11, and denominator with denominator only. 2 into 4, 8. So we got 11 divided by 8. And we will convert this value to mixed fraction. How to convert this? We have 11 divided by 8 now. So how to convert this? Here in denominator again we will get 8 only. So if I multiply this 8 with the 2, I will get 16. That 16 is greater than 11. So I will not multiply with 2. I will consider 1 only. So 8 into 1 means 8. That 8 is 3 less than 11. So I will write 3 here. So 8 into 1, 8 plus 3 means 11. So we will get 11 divided by 8. Next here second question. 1 by 2 of means multiplication, that is they are given here 4 into 2 divided by 9. Now we will convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 1 by 2 first we will write into 9 into 4. What we will get? 9 into 4 means 36. 9 into 4, 36. 36 plus 2 will get 38. 38 divided by 9. So now we will multiply numerator and denominator. If you multiply numerator here 1 into 32, sorry 1 into 38, 38 only. 1 into 38, 38. And here in denominator 2 into 9, what will get? 2 into 9, 18. 2 into 9, 18. Okay. Now we got here 38 divided by 18. You can see here both the values are even numbers. Here 18, 8 is even number, and 8 here 38, last digit is 8. This is also even number. Therefore we can cancel these two numbers. Or directly you can write this as mixed fraction. How will you write? We should get this 18 as denominator. 18 as denominator. So 18 2s are what you get 36, which is 2 less than 38, which is 2 less than 38. So I will add 2 here. So 18 into 2 means 36. 36 plus 2 38. 38 divided by 18 will get. This is how to solve this 7th main question. Just convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction and multiply numerator values and denominator values. Then after getting this product, convert that to mixed fraction. Okay. So now I will move to the next question. That is last one, 8th question of this exercise 2.2. So in this 8th question they have given Vidya and Pratap went for picnic. Both of them went for picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Their mother gave water bottle which has capacity of 5 liters of water, and Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. In that 5 liter, Vidya how much she consumed? That is 2 by 5 of the water. Then Pratap consumed the remaining water. The remaining water consumed by Pratap. So now they are asking that how much water did Vidya drink? 2 by 5 of the capacity of the water. We have to find out how much water did Vidya drink and what fraction of the total quantity. In total quantity 5 liter, in what fraction of the total quantity water did Pratap drink? We have to find out Pratap how much he drank in total amount of water. So now I will write first whatever they have given. Capacity of water bottle. Capacity of water bottle, that is 5 liters. Then what they are given? Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. How much Vidya consumed? Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of water, and remaining water consumed by Pratap. So now first we will find out how much water did Vidya drink. We have to find out. Vidya drank water equals to how much? 2 by 5 of the water, means 2 divided by 5 of means multiplication. Already you know what it indicates. Of indicates multiplication. Of operator indicates multiplication. So 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 of water. Total how much water is there? Capacity of the water bottle they have given 5 liter. So 2 by 5 of 5 liter. Now first you can multiply, then you can divide, or directly first you can divide, then you can multiply. So here in numerator we have 2 and 5, and in denominator we have 5. So here we can divide this denominator and numerator. 5 ones are 5 ones are, and you can see here 2 into 1. We have to multiply now. 2 into 1 means 2, and in denominator we have 1. So no need to write that. So 2 liters of water drank by Vidya. This is the answer for first question. And second question, what they are asking? What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? We have to find out fraction of the total quantity of the water did Pratap drink. We have to find out that. So first we will see how much water did Pratap drink. So here I will write, therefore Pratap drank water equals to total amount of water, that is 5 liters. Directly I will write total amount of water, that is 5 liters, and Vidya, how much she drank, that is 2 liters. So 5 minus 2 liters means remaining is 5 minus 2 means 3 liters of water drank by Pratap. But they are not asking just how much Pratap drank, they are asking fraction. How much Pratap drank in total amount or total quantity, sorry, that is total quantity of the water. So I will write total quantity of water. How much it is? Total quantity of the water 5 liters, and in that 5 liter Pratap drank 3 liters. Therefore we have to write fraction here. Therefore fraction is what you can write, total 5 liters of water. I will write 5 in denominator. In this 5 liter, how much Pratap drank? 3 liters. So fraction is 3 divided by 5. Okay. Solve this problem also, and remaining problems in 5, 6, 7. Just I left out 2 or 3 problems. I solved some of the problems from each of the main question. So understand that and try to solve remaining problems. If you get any doubt, you can contact me through WhatsApp, and I will solve those problems on which you have doubts. And in next class, I will continue with the concept, that is multiplication of fraction by fraction. Already we started multiplication of fraction by fraction in previous problem only, that is 1 by 2 of 2 into 3 by 4. But in next class also I will explain how to multiply fraction by a fraction, and we will solve some of the examples related to that concept. Okay, pause this video and write the example. Next class we will continue with the multiplication of a fraction by fraction. Okay, thank you all.